Are you really ready for a miracle or miracles? If you have been asking or praying for a miracle and have not yet received it, then maybe you should consider this. 1. Maybe you are not yet ready for a miracle. Or 2. Maybe you are not paying attention when God gave you a miracle, so you missed seeing it. In this video and in the next ones, let us answer several questions to discover our readiness for a miracle. I will be posting at least one video per week to help us discover our readiness for a miracle or miracles in our life. Okay, here is day 1's question. Did you notice Jesus' first official miracle during the wedding at Cana? What did you notice? Did you notice that the jars are filled to the brim with water? This means that if we fill to the brim our jars, then we will get as much wine as our jars can hold when the miracle of turning water into wine happens. In Filipino, we have a beautiful phrase for this. It is siksik, liglig, at umaapaw. Overflowing miracle. When Jesus makes miracles in our life, they will be overflowing, as what happened during the wedding at Cana, or when Jesus converted the 5 loaves and 2 fish into thousands to feed the multitude of people. So, are our jars filled to the brim? Or are they only half filled because of our laziness or our indifference? Our jars can be our contribution to our faith in terms of maybe time spent with God, or doing works of kindness, or contributing our talents or skills, or even financial blessings to whatever represents our jar. Are our jars filled? Did we use our talents or skills to spread God's word? Did we use our time to make others feel the love of God? Did we give generously to the church? Remember, God's mercy and generosity can never be outdone. They are always overflowing. So, let us fill our jars to the brim so that when miracles happen, we are ready. God uses whatever we have, as much as we have, when He makes miracles. It doesn't matter what we have, as long as we fill our jars to the brim. So, watch out for the next video in this series, and please click like and share, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed when the next video is published. Thank you very much. God bless you.